Yep. You guys are pretty happy. What's wrong, guys? Why are you upset? Perhaps I know something that will calm you. Perhaps a performance will calm you down. I give to you the magic dancing bird. Yes. You are hypnotized by the magic dancing bird. Oh. Instantly, your sadness disappears, and you are hypnotized. No, bird. Don't be upset. The magic bird is here. Madison, dance with him. Yes. Fall to his charms. Oh, the show's over, so you're upset. But wait a second. He's back. How could you be upset with the dancing bird here? You can't. Wait a second, Madison. Are you sure you want to be upset? It's a dancing bird here.